And the negative ripple effects of the attacks on money couriers for banks continue to be felt across the island. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang is hoping that new policies to replenish ATMs will help to ease the fallout. Jamaica Maitland tells us more.
There have been increasing reports of disruption of cash flow in the major town centers across the island. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says undoubtedly the attacks on the bank's money couriers is a major contributing factor. He says following a meeting with the police and the private security companies on Tuesday, a few changes will be made to improve the safety and security of the guards, the public and the delivery of cash to the ABMs.
Strengthened operational standards to include specialized training and certification of the security guards involved in cash transit management. Use of hard-skin vehicles for cash delivery, cash transfer of vehicles equipped with cameras to increase awareness, use of panic buttons on board cash transfer vehicles, which are present in some of those currently being used, a much more robust communication regime between the private security companies and the Jamaica Constabulary Force for real-time support and response.
Dr. Chang, who was speaking at a post-cabinet press briefing Wednesday morning, says other issues require legislative changes, which includes a robust training for security guards. To this end, the National Security Minister says will take some time. The latest attack occurred in St. Thomas on Sunday. The robbers did not get any money. However, a private security officer was shot.
The government will be accelerating the requisite amendment to the Private Security Regulation Authority Act to allow for specialized training of security guards given the increased threat environment. In addition, we'll be engaging the banking sector for establishing minimum standards for the placement and hardening of ABM machines.
Additionally, a new group of specialized security officials is being set up to investigate armed robberies across the island.
So we have raised the tempo by dedicating a really highly skilled, experienced team of investigators and police officers to focus entirely on the operation.
And as it relates to the banks, Dr. Chang says a meeting is being scheduled soon to see what else can be done to limit the disruption of cash flow being experienced across major town centers. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.